This is Sulis. As you can see, she's a trad. She's 58 foot in length and she was built in 2004 by Wharf House Narrowboats in Braunston. The shell is from Roger Farrington, also in Braunston, and the shell was built to last with a 12.5mm bottom, 8mm hull sides and 5mm cabin sides. She's got a cratch covered well deck. And although she hasn't got a bow thruster, there is space for one to be fitted should you wish, and all the charging and control cables are installed already. Stepping into the bow, steel forward doors with some real thick chunky timber linings. Into the saloon. As you can see, there's plenty of cupboards and shelving in the saloon. The fit out throughout is all in ash ply. And as you would expect from Wharf House, it's all to a very high standard. Folding table, there's a couple of easy chairs, and there's a bubble corner solid fuel stove. Central heating is by Webasto diesel boiler. Midships galley, gas cooking, fridge with freezer compartment, there's another little freezer there. Oh, excuse my finger. Resin sink and a compact washing machine. The worktops in the galley are all beech block. On the port side of the boat, there is a off the corridor shower room, fully tiled in here, cassette toilet, feature wash basin, towel rail and shower cubicle. Your hot water is heated by engine, boiler and immersion. And there's a stainless steel water tank. Stepping back out into the corridor, there's an acrylic insert there for your side doors. Privacy doors. And moving into the aft master bedroom. The bed is 6'3" by 4 foot and it does extend to 4'6". Bed head lights. Drawers underneath the bed. Shelving, plenty of drawers and cupboards throughout the boat actually. Travel satellite, and a hanging space for clothing. Into the aft cabin, there's a Victron Multiplus 3 kilowatt inverter charger. And in the cupboard, your calorifier. Along with all the wiring and cabling. So propulsion on this boat is by an Isuzu 4LE2 diesel engine, 55 horsepower. It's a bit dark in there, but it is nice and dry in there. So we'll walk back through the boat from aft to fore. Sometimes see things differently at this angle. In fact, there's a cupboard here, a folding door. Shelving and quite a large storage area there. So this is Sulis. She's 58 foot. She was built in 2004 by Wharf House Narrowboats. And the shell was by Roger Farrington, both based in Braunston. She's with us at North Kilworth Marina. Give us a ring to make an appointment, 01788 822 115, or you can visit our website www.abnb.co.uk.